Here we have a 96 Cobra, and what I'm doing is putting some wheel spacers on. Well, I already skipped the step where you take the wheels off and everything, but here's half of one that I started cleaning, which is pretty big, pretty crucial to this process. The car is very dirty. And this is the next one to get cleaned. And what we're going to be using is these H&R 20mm spacers. That's what they look like. Made in Germany, so they got to be pretty good, I'm assuming. But anyway, I'm going to clean up this other side and continue on. Alright, so we got the wheel spacer here. Put it on. Sometimes you might just need to give it a little. Anti-seize was never a bad idea. Remember, you don't want to use an impact gun on this. Definitely spec factory torque specs. Alright, now that we got them on there, we're going to torque them down to about 105 foot-pounds. And then we're going to get our wheel back on. So, let's do your nice star pattern. All right, I'm gonna do the other side with the wheel back on. looks like now. And take it for a spin.